Hello everyone, welcome to Homespun Recipes, and I am your host Karishma with one more recipe that I will share with you today. Today I'll show you how to make grilled fish Indian style. It is a very simple recipe and it comes out very delicious. It retains all the flavors of the fish. To make this grilled fish, you will require these ingredients. These are very basic ingredients which are available in every Indian kitchen. And I have taken Rohu fish for this recipe. You can take any fish of your choice. So now I am marinating the fish pieces with lemon juice, turmeric powder and salt. I'll apply this mixture on the fish and allow the fish to marinate for about half an hour's time. This step is very important because it is this step where you impart the seasoning to the fish. Otherwise, what will happen is that your fish will have a nice coating of spices on the outer side, but it will be bland from inside. So to avoid that, you need to do this step very well, and you need to allow the fish to marinate for a minimum of half an hour's time. If you are running short of time, you can reduce the time of marination, but still 5 to 10 minutes you can give the fish to absorb the flavors. To make the masala, I have taken ginger garlic paste, red chili powder, turmeric powder, garam masala powder, salt according to taste, oil, fresh green coriander and chopped green chilies. Now I'll apply the masala that I just prepared onto the fish and I will pop it into the oven to grill. This fish comes out really tasty, delicious, and it's very flavorful, and I think it's a better option as compared to a deep fried fish. I will be grilling this fish in my microwave oven. I'll put it in grill mode in about 180 degrees temperature. It will be done in I think 15 minutes. I'll apply some oil on the tray that I am using to grill the fish so that the fish does not stick to it. And then I'll place the fish and I'll drizzle a little more oil on top of the fish. So now the fish is ready. I will just pop it into the oven, set it in grill mode and allow it to grill for 15 minutes, and then we'll check it. So here you can see the fish, how nice it has come out, and it's nicely grilled. A better option as compared to deep fried fish. It tastes more flavorsome, believe me. I'll just decorate it with some fresh green coriander, although I'm not very good at it. So try it. Hope you love the recipe, and if you do love the recipe, please come back to my channel and share your experience in the comment section. Please don't forget to press the notification bell, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching Homespun Recipes. I will see you in my next video.